have a Lamborghini Huracan here. This one's in here for service, regular routine, just maintenance. Nothing really crazy on this one. It's just time for oil change and filter, so that's what we're gonna do. Top off the fluids, make sure everything's okay, and give this car back to the customer in about an hour or so.
We are currently inside the Lamborghini Huracan. We just did an oil change service on this car. We've been servicing this car for about a year now, ever since the customer got the car. He doesn't need to go to the dealership. This car, we lowered it on Novitec springs. We also installed a set of Veloz design work wheels. My buddy Omar from Florida again, same wheel brand that is on my Lamborghini Urus actually. So really awesome wheels. They're brushed silver, car's slammed. That's all this car has. It's a black Huracan, so it looks amazing on those brushed silver wheels, and obviously lowering any car makes it instantly look better. It's a great driving, reliable car. Service is good. We wanted to drive around the block, make sure the service light doesn't pop back on for some reason. No oil light comes on, obviously after the engine warms up, it measures the oil. So we gotta heat cycle it a little bit to make sure that doesn't come on and it has the proper amount of oil. If you put too much oil, it'll flood everything inside the engine, in the cats, all that stuff. It'll smoke. You gotta be very sensitive with these cars. Everything is good. I notified the customer his vehicle is ready. He's gonna come pick it up.
Oh shit! You can tell it didn't hurt because he's laughing.
That was bad. That was bad. That was bad.
Alright, right now we're working on the Ferrari F8 and the Cullinan. You're going to notice the Cullinan is a little bit of a different color because it's gloss. So the Cullinan's going to be gloss, the F8 and the Urus are satin. So right now we're getting these cars ready for completion. The customer, Gotti, is super excited for him. It's his birthday. He's going to have these three colors matching. He's got a lot of goodies in store for you guys online. He's going to be filming. But yeah, we're very excited for these Forgiato wheels to go on the F8. The Cullinan wheels, we're going to have to be doing some wrapping on it to match it. They didn't make it on time, so we're going to be doing wrap spokes on those RDB wheels. Very tough to do, but we got to get it done for Gotti. We just went and picked up a customer's vehicle. It's a Range Rover. Same customer that we did a really badass all-white Rolls-Royce Wraith, but his Range Rover, he got into a little fender bender, so needs some body work and paint. So we went ahead and picked it up. Right now he lives pretty close to us, so we have the opportunity of going and picking up these vehicles ourselves instead of towing them all the time if they request. Got my RDB mask on, of course. We're actually making thousands of them now because we're selling them in bulk and we're selling them online non-stop. A lot of them got sold out, so we had to wait. So I know there's a lot of people waiting for their masks. They're coming soon. They're gonna ship right away. Express shipping, don't worry. We're headed back to the shop. We got a lot going on today. We got 2 Huracans in for service. As you guys know, we do exotic vehicle servicing as well. So not only body work, not only paint and wraps and whatever, we're doing servicing as well at a much lesser cost than the dealerships. Very honest repairs. We don't try to upsell you on other stuff that you do not need. We have all the factory computers to do all the resets, diagnostics, all that stuff. So you got a Lambo needs a service, bring it to us. Bentleys, Ferraris, whatever, you name it, we could service it. So that's just a reminder. Moses will take care of you guys on all the servicing stuff. You need a blackout or RDB wheels. Come pay us a visit. He has damage on his back bumper. Hey sir, Fix your bumper, you drive a nice car. Quick, affordable work at RDB. Your wheel's damaged too. There's a lot of curb rash. Who is this guy? Excuse me. Hello.
So you guys know Sarkis likes ice cream. So we did get his favorite ice cream for his birthday, which is... Can we show this or not? Yeah? Oh, okay. Sarkis' favorite Magnum. He doesn't even care. He already swallowed. No, not yet. He's actually. He hasn't started. He hasn't started yet, but he's about to bite into the caramel any second.
Why are you running away?
Oh! Ah!
Taze açıyor ya, sen beni kovursa.
No, this comes off.
No, I've seen it. It's just not released yet. It's not released. No, it doesn't work. I'm trying to work for the Irish car. Let's finish this.
Oh. Moses' elbow's in the way of everything. He's scared to put his elbow down.
He has no aim. He can't. He has no aim.
Oh, how'd you hit his head?
Alright, check these out. This is really crazy. This is a Technica Forgiato wheel, 2021. This is the front wheel. As you can see, it's matching to the color of the wrap. And then we have satin black spokes right here, and then we have a gloss black lip. So 3 colors, 3 tones. Looks amazing. In the Ferrari F8. This thing's a monster. You guys already know the white one I drove. I loved it. This is also amazing. It has this brownish tan interior, beautiful with red stitching, and now the outside is that custom satin Tiffany blue with pearl that we made. This is Yo Gotti's second birthday gift to himself. We just put on the wheels. It was a nightmare with fitment. This is one of the few first F8s with wheels on it, and this from Forgiato is their different forging, their Technica line. So first one on an F8 like that. Crazy color combination, as you guys saw. We did not lower this vehicle, so don't look at its height right now. We might lower it in the future, but for now, Yo Gotti needs this thing for his birthday. Tow truck is waiting. We're gonna drive it to there. I'm also just checking all the codes right now because we took the whole car apart and we got to get rid of all the codes that are not supposed to be there anymore, which just worked right now. So awesome. So that's done. Urus is already with him. You guys saw in the previous episode the Urus looks amazing. We also have to do the Cullinan. The Cullinan is almost done. A lot of work on that one too. The wheel company did not meet our time frame, so we got that delayed. The wrap has been done for a few days, so we wrap cars faster than people could deliver wheels. So happy birthday, Yo Gotti. Hope you enjoy it. This is a dope ass car. The F8's amazing. On to the next one.
We don't even have a shop like this in Chicago. Man, they said I can take pictures, but I can't touch. Damn. Start it up again. Start it up. Ooh, start it up. Oh, hell yeah. Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. Oh, hell to the yeah. I can taste it. Ooh, look at that front end, boy. Look at that front end. I want to hear this engine talk to me.